Wandiligong Primary School is a significant heritage place for a whole range of reasons, but most importantly amongst them is that it introduced a new design in response to public health concerns within many Victorian schools. At this time, there was very strongly a fear of epidemics in many communities in the late Victorian period. It was common, actually, in many communities throughout the world at that time for children not to survive beyond childhood. Almost half may have died by the age of 18, and only 1 in 100 reached the age of 60. And at Wandiligong Primary School, prior to the new school being built, in 1874, due to its overcrowding and a severe outbreak of measles, the school was actually closed. Of course, schools at this time had many problems related to health. There was poor school furniture, a limited number of hand basins, poor storage space for clothing, and of course ventilation was a real concern. Wandiligong Primary School was one of the first schools to use a ventilation system called the Tobin tube, and it first appeared in the design at Wandiligong. It was originally introduced by Mr. Tobin from Leeds, and the Tobin tube was a system of ventilation that had an external grating, a small cast iron, outside of the school, and it was basically at floor level with a little tube running into the interior wall of the school building itself, which enabled fresh air to be constantly circulated in the interior of the room. And many schools were fitted with these tubes subsequently.